Have you ever wanted to share a mouth-watering recipe with the world, but felt stuck because you don't want to show your face or even record in the kitchen? Imagine this. You've just cooked a delicious dish. The aroma fills the room. Your friends love it, and they beg you to share the recipe. But then reality kicks in. Cameras, lighting, messy kitchen. Ugh, too much. What if I told you? With the help of AI, you can create a professional recipe video without showing your face or kitchen at all. I'm sure you might be thinking I've started a recipe channel, right? Not exactly. The fun part is I've actually made this video just by working on my PC with free tools. And I'm sure you're wondering, how did I do that, right? Well, stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make delicious recipe videos using ChatGPT, free royalty-free video clips, and even free voiceovers if you need them. Hey there, welcome back to TechWise AI. In our last video, we explored how creators can use AI to boost their content game, and today we're applying that directly to recipe videos. Here's the roadmap for today. I'll show you the AI tools you need to create recipe content. We'll explore how to get high-quality free visuals and voiceovers. Finally, I'll demonstrate how to bring it all together into a polished video. This is perfect for food lovers, beginners, and creators who want to share recipes without filming their kitchen or themselves. Let us explore why this matters. Traditional cooking channels need lights, camera setups, and hours of shooting. But with AI, you can just script your recipe, pair it with visuals, and let technology do the rest. The result? A professional-looking video without the stress of kitchen production. Now you might wonder, can AI really replace the kitchen setup? Let's find out. Compared to the traditional method, AI-powered recipe videos are faster, easier, and way more scalable. You can create multiple recipes in a fraction of the time. The advantage? You focus on narration and creativity, while tools do the heavy lifting. The challenge? You'll need clear instructions or prompts for AI to understand exactly what you want. And here's a surprise. Using free tools, you don't need to spend a single dollar to get started. Now let me demonstrate this step by step with free tools you can start using today. For content, I'll use ChatGPT to generate a recipe script. Just type a prompt like, write a simple recipe for a delicious dish in a friendly YouTube style, and boom, you've got your script. For video clips, go to Pexels.com. It has thousands of royalty-free food videos. Search for things like cooking onions, spices, or serving food and download them free. For voiceover, I'll use ElevenLabs. They give you 10 minutes of high quality text to speech and 15 minutes of conversational AI for free every month. Just paste your script, choose a natural voice, and download your audio. For editing, you can use any software: CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Filmora. Personally, I use Filmora paid version, but even its free version works well. It also has lots of built-in stock videos you can use. So the big question, could you make your next cooking video without touching a camera? Drop your answer in the comments. The bigger takeaway? Recipe videos are no longer about expensive setups. They're about smart storytelling. By using AI tools and free resources, you can share your recipes with the world in a creative and professional way. So, would you try making your next recipe video using AI instead of filming in the kitchen? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And in our next video, we'll explore how to generate realistic cooking visuals entirely with AI. No stock footage needed. Stay tuned.